Hi, I am Dr. Shruti Ugran and I am a MIG surgeon at Motherhood Hospitals, Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. So you must be wondering what exactly is a MIG surgeon. So MIG stands for Minimal Invasive Gynac Services and I exclusively deal with minimal invasive gynac surgeries. So minimal invasive surgeries are those surgeries where gynac procedures are done with minimal intervention and it mainly includes laparoscopy surgeries, hysteroscopy surgeries and also natural orifice surgeries. So let's look into what exactly is a laparoscopy surgery. Okay, the mixed surgeries are also popularly known as keyhole surgeries or scarless surgeries. So what exactly is a laparoscopy procedure? So laparoscopy procedure is a surgery which is a minimal invasive surgery done via the abdominal route. In this, very small cuts are made on the abdomen which are just 3 millimeters or 5 millimeters in length. Some amount of gas is filled in the abdomen and the surgery is done by the MIG surgeon. A number of procedures can be done through laparoscopy, which mainly include appendix surgeries, gallbladder surgeries, and all of the pelvic surgeries. A MIG surgeon, who is a minimal invasive gynecologist, usually deals with surgeries of the ovary, surgeries of the uterus, like the fibroid surgeries, the endometriosis surgeries, ovarian cysts. So these are some of the surgeries that we can do with laparoscopy. Interesting fact here is that a lot of malignant surgeries can also be done with laparoscopy because of the advanced technology that we are using. Now, what exactly is a hysteroscopy surgery? So, a hysteroscopy surgery is something that is done under anesthesia most of the times, and a small telescope, which is just a 3 mm telescope or a 4 mm telescope, is inserted through the vaginal route and up into the uterus, and a number of uterine surgeries are done with the same telescope. Some of these surgeries are polyps, fibroids, uterine septums are just to name a few, but a number of surgeries can be done via hysteroscopy. The advantage of hysteroscopy is that there is no cut on the abdomen and everything is done through the vaginal route. Let's look into what are the advantages of undergoing a MIG surgery. A minimal invasive surgery, as the name itself suggests, is a keyhole surgery or a minimal access surgery where very small cuts are done on the abdomen, because of which the patient's recovery is very fast. As small cuts are taken on the abdomen, very small stitches or sometimes no stitches are required on these cuts. Because the number of stitches are very small, the pain is very less as experienced by the person. The medications required are very less, and almost within 24 to 48 hours, the person can actually resume their routine activities like going to the hospital, walking around, cooking, and taking care of themselves. So, the dependency on family members, the post-op recovery of laparoscopy and hysteroscopy patients is excellent, and this gives a sense of well-being to the patient and they feel as if they have never had a surgery. Apart from this, the advantage for the MIG surgeon about laparoscopy and hysteroscopy is that since we do these surgeries under so much of magnification, the precision of the surgery is much better compared to an open surgery. But having said that, a MIG surgeon undergoes a lot of training and needs a lot of expertise before they can actually do minimal invasive surgeries.
Motherhood Hospitals. We care like no other.